Before we get started into this video, I want to send a huge thank you to Toro for sending me this system to test and for being a huge supporter of GirlzLawn. This year alone, I've used a bunch of equipment that I have never ever even thought about touching before, and it's been so super exciting and just simply a fun time. Now, in this particular video, I will give you a quick look at the attachment capable cultivator, pole saw, and stick edger by Toro. Let's get it. I've never done this before, and I honestly don't know where to start, but I'm just gonna jump right on in. Here we go. It's coming together. And we're done. Fence line has been cleared. Kind of ate these little trees up. I'm sure there's a proper way to trim, but that's what we're looking at. there you have it. Now, I have yet to use the hedge trimmer attachment, but I have used the string trimmer. That thing is so powerful that it took me on a little ride the first time I trimmed with it. One of the big differences I've noticed is that it seems like the attachment capable equipment is slightly more powerful than the standalone counterparts. This system really has some power behind it. Having the attachment capable system will save me some space in my garage. So overall, I really like the system and I have enjoyed using it. So that does it for me. As always, feel free to shoot me any questions you may have.